So I offered to clean the rust off of my friend's 1911, and what I did notice, it does have a lot more rust than I thought it did, especially here in the rear sight and here on the main body. So I'm hoping with some gun oil and some steel wool, I'm able to rub off most of that surface rust. It's a Charles Daly, Charles Daly in 9mm. Just to show you, it is unloaded. You can see, feels pretty good. Trigger feels good too. So first I'm gonna disassemble it. Now that I got that disassembled, I'm gonna hit it with some CLP and a plastic brush on the slide, just to remove a lot of that oil and dirt that it has on it. As you can see, I was able to remove a lot of that rust already. So hopefully with the steel wool, it can remove even more. So it's been about 24 hours. I left the frame and the slide sitting with some gun oil. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it with some steel wool. And we're just gonna go over it uh, just very gently so we don't strip a lot of that finish that it has left on it. Making sure I have a good amount of oil on the slide before I start scrubbing it. And it's going to go very gently. One thing I noticed when I was cleaning the gun is that the grip bushings, these little screws that go right here on the top and the bottom of the frame, were kind of loose. And I noticed that because when I took off the grip, the bushing came off with the grip. So I had to get some pliers and carefully remove it from the grip. It was kind of stuck this way. Sorry. This way with the screw, and it wouldn't come off. So I'm just gonna remove all 4 of them and put some Loctite just so they're secure enough. What I'm gonna do now is apply just a little bit of blue Loctite just so it doesn't come loose when somebody takes off the grips. Just a tiny little dot of blue Loctite is all you need. So I'm gonna do that for all 4. So now I'm going to reassemble the gun, put on the grips back. And just like that, let's put it back together.